A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. After explaining the meaning of this quote, the author teaches how to apply this proverb in life to attract luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Hey there, and welcome to today's video tutorial. In this session, we'll be discussing an insightful quote by the renowned physicist, Albert Einstein, and exploring how we can apply its wisdom to our lives to attract luck, overcome difficulties, and ultimately succeed. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The quote goes like this: "A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new." What Einstein meant by this statement is that making mistakes is an essential part of growth and learning. By attempting new things, we inevitably encounter challenges and stumble along the way. But these mistakes are not failures, they are opportunities to learn, adapt, and become better versions of ourselves. If we only stick to what we know and never venture beyond our comfort zones, we'll never grow or achieve our full potential. Now that we understand the meaning behind this quote, let's discuss how we can apply this principle to our lives to attract luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. First, embrace the fact that mistakes are inevitable. No one is perfect, and we all make errors in judgment or miscalculations from time to time. When we accept this reality, we become less afraid of encountering setbacks and more willing to take risks. By putting ourselves out there and trying new things, we open ourselves up to opportunities, experiences, and ultimately, luck. Remember, you can't win the lottery if you never buy a ticket. Next, let's discuss the importance of adopting a growth mindset. A growth mindset involves viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and improve, rather than as evidence of our shortcomings. When we approach life with this mindset, we become more resilient and better equipped to handle obstacles and setbacks. Instead of dwelling on our mistakes, we can learn from them, make the necessary adjustments, and move forward with greater wisdom and confidence. To develop a growth mindset, focus on self-reflection and self-improvement. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? What can I do differently next time? By cultivating this habit, you'll find that you're better able to grow from your mistakes and turn them into stepping stones on the path to success. Another essential aspect of applying this quote to our lives is learning to take calculated risks. While it's important to embrace the unknown and try new things, it's equally important to be strategic in our decision-making. Before diving headfirst into a new venture, take the time to weigh the pros and cons, gather information, and seek advice from others who have experience in the area. This will help you make informed decisions and minimize the potential for costly mistakes. As you continue to try new things and learn from your experiences, don't forget to celebrate your successes, both big and small. When you achieve a goal or overcome a challenge, take the time to acknowledge your hard work and perseverance. This will help build your confidence and motivate you to continue pushing beyond your comfort zone, attracting even more luck and success into your life. Lastly, surround yourself with positive, supportive people who share your values and aspirations. These individuals can provide encouragement, guidance, and inspiration as you navigate the ups and downs of life. By surrounding yourself with a strong support network, you'll find it easier to face challenges and persevere in the face of adversity. So, to recap, the key to applying Einstein's quote to our lives is to embrace the inevitability of mistakes, adopt a growth mindset, take calculated risks, celebrate our successes, and surround ourselves with a supportive community. By doing so, we can attract luck, overcome difficulties, and achieve the success we desire. Thank you for tuning in to today's video tutorial. I hope you found this discussion inspiring and informative. Remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes, for they are the stepping stones on the path to success. Until next time, keep trying new things and embracing the lessons that come with each experience. Good luck, and here's to your continued growth and success. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.